Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science Geeks. In today's video, we're diving into the world of AI-generated images using the KREA AI platform. Whether you're an artist, a content creator, or just someone who loves to experiment with AI, KREA AI offers an incredible toolset to bring your imagination to life. Let's get started. Once you're on the KREA AI website, you'll notice three main options at the top: Home, Generate, and Enhance. Today we'll be focusing on the Generate section. Under Generate, you'll see three options: Real-Time, Image, and Video. Using the Real-Time option, this feature allows you to describe the image you want to create in real time. It's as simple as typing in a few prompts based on what you envision. Let's go ahead and select the Real-Time option. Here you'll find a text box where you can describe the picture you want to create. You can be as detailed or as vague as you like, depending on the type of image you're aiming for. In this video, I'll show you how to use different prompts to generate various images. For example, you might enter a prompt like a serene sunset over a mountain range or a futuristic cityscape at night. The possibilities are endless. Just let your imagination run wild. After you've entered your prompt, KREA AI will automatically start creating your image in real time. In just a few seconds, you'll see the result right on your screen, reflecting the description you provided. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a variety of style options. These allow you to customize the look and feel of your generated image, whether you're going for a realistic vibe, something more abstract, or even a specific art style. KREA AI has you covered. I'll demonstrate how different styles can drastically change the output, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for your vision. Once you're happy with your image, you can easily download it by clicking the Download button. This is great if you want to save your work or share it on social media. Now let's have some fun by experimenting with a specific prompt. We're going to create an image of Tom Cruise as Doctor Strange. I'll enter detailed instructions to describe Tom Cruise dressed as Doctor Strange, complete with the cloak, mystical symbols, and the iconic hand gestures. Let's see how KREA AI brings this unique fusion to life. Watch as I input the prompt, and in just a few seconds, we'll get to see how this imaginative concept turns out.
Oh my God! Wow!
If you're looking for inspiration, you can use the Random Prompt option. It generates a unique description for you, offering a fun and spontaneous starting point for your image creation. And if you want to adjust the aspect ratio of your image, there's an option for that as well. Just head to the bottom right corner and you'll find the aspect ratio settings. This is perfect if you need your image to fit a specific format, like a thumbnail or a social media post. That's it for today's tutorial on using KREA AI's real-time image generation tool. As you've seen, it's a powerful and versatile platform that can help you create stunning visuals with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking to enhance your creative projects or just have some fun, KREA AI is definitely worth exploring. I'll provide the link to the KREA AI website in the description below. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to check out my other videos as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Data Science Geeks for more AI and data science content. And if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.